And that's the HD audio connector down there. Nice and tucked away. Alright, now let's continue on with the RGB light hookup for the liquid cooler and plug in the pump for the fan. And the light that lights up in the pump as well. And we're on the other side again. And I put the RGB reset switch, power switch, and all that through the bottom grommet down here, because there will be the closest to the motherboard at the bottom that plugs into the board. So let's turn it around and plug it into the board. To be able to hook up my RGB lights that I had set up in the older computer, I had to mount it first, because the reason why is that one of the connectors down at the bottom that hooks up to the RGB right here needs to be plugged into the board as well. So I just figured to hook that one up too as well. And there's the fan right there. Got the MSI Dragon on it. Just black like Plexan cutout CNC. It's pretty cool. Purchased them online. So now let's continue on with this RGB